Next, we have Pallavi Thakur. Please unmute yourself and please open your webcam, Pallavi. I have already made you a panelist.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, my name is Pallavi Thakur. I am a final year B Pharmacy student. So, in this particular presentation, I am going to talk about my particular topic, the mechanistic insight of herbal drug for the management of obesity. As we know that obesity is a major global health problem, and everyone in this world is facing with the obesity and low confidence. Obesity is the problem of every peoples. They may be young, aged, or any aged group people. They all are suffering from the obesity. Obesity is not related with the only the weight problems. It causes the many other problems too. So obesity is major problem and we have to deal with it. And the obesity can be calculated with the body mass index, which is the criteria for the measurement of the obesity. If a person weight lies under 18.5, then person is underweight and he may suffer from the various disease. And if a person's body weight is lies between the 18.5 to 24.9, then the person is least suffered with the disease because the person body weight is managed. The person who are overweight, their body mass index lies in the range of 25 to 29.9 and the obese person weight lies above 29.9, and these people are the most vulnerable to the disease. Obesity is a major health concern and it is leading to a many disease. Obesity can be due to personal dietary problem, physical inactivity, restless, and the person who is eating unnecessary, that person may suffer from the obesity problem. Obesity is leading to the many health disorders, and whether it would be a cardiovascular disease or it may be cancers like kidney cancers, breast cancers, and other health issues are also related with the obesity. And it's becoming more important to manage the obesity because these health risks are very serious. Person having the obesity will not have the proper confidence and they may lead to the failure in their lives. So obesity is a very serious health issue. So I am going to talk about the herbal treatment for the management of the obesity. Recently, there is a trend in the market. Many people are using the herbal drug for the management of obesity because of are having the very least side effects, and they are easily available in the market and even in our house too. And the herbal drugs are very safe to use. There are many drugs in the market and always are, and also they are available in our home also. Some of the drugs I have mentioned here are some fenugreek seed, which we call the methi in our own language. That is the dried seeds of the Trigonella phoenum granicum, and the family belongs to Leguminaceae. These fenugreek seeds are having the high fiber content. They improve our digestion. They are having the galactomans, which is the polysaccharides, and which reduces our fat accumulations, and this reduces our hunger and improve the digestions. There are other drugs too, like oregano, which we daily use in our house. Oregano is one of the very important herbal drug, and its biological source is Origanum vulgare, belonging to the family Lamiaceae. So oregano is used in a daily basis in our home too to release the constipations. Other drugs is cardamom. Cardamom we use daily. Cardamom belongs to the family Gingiberaceae, and its scientific name is Electria cardamom. And the other one are gingival officinalis, which is the ginger, and other drugs like ephedrine, caffeine, green tea, which is used daily. Green tea is the very important drink that becomes the part of our health. many people use it to boost the metabolism because it is having the catechin in the green tea, which it helps to decrease the fat and oxidation, causes the increase in the fat oxidation metabolism and also decrease the fat absorption. So herbal drugs are having a very important role in the management of obesity. People are using it, but still the mechanism of some of the herbal drugs are not known properly, and in the future this is going to be a really important perspective to view on the herbal drug mechanism of action, and more emphasis is going to the herbal drug because of their least side effects and easily availability in the market. Thank you so much. This is my presentation.
Okay. Thank you, Pallavi Thakur.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Uh, what are the causes of obesity?
Sir, I am not. Can you repeat it again?
What are the causes of obesity?
Sir, obesity is a health-related problem, and it may be due to the dietary problems, hereditary problems are also environmental factor, physical inactivity, like person is not doing work, environmental factor, like if person is working in an area where he has to sit for 24 hours, that causes the physical inactivity. And
Okay.
dietary also, if person is feeding on a junk food, if he is overeating, that also causes the obesity.
Okay. Give some examples of herbal drugs used for treating obesity.
Sir, the some of the drugs which are used for the treatment of the obesities are like fenugreek seeds, ginger, oregano, ephedra, caffeine, green tea. These all are using for the management of the obesity.
Okay. Okay then, Pallavi Thakur, best of luck for your future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Pallavi.